broke the ice! Did you see that? Six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Woo! High five. Good job.
You want 10.
I brought 7, but you guys brought 3. That was really good. Whoa! That broke the ice. Woo! Nice one. You broke the ice. High five. Woo!
Mommy, I can
Woo!
see bubbles.
Oh, I can see the bubbles too. That is so cool, Betty. You did. You totally cracked the ice. Woo! High five, Betty. Good job. Aria, high five. Was that cool?
I'm gonna do it now.
We cracked the ice. That's so awesome. I can't believe how cold it is. It's like 39 degrees right now. When my phone said last night, it got down to 23 degrees.